How to find and remove draft messages in Messenger. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to find and remove draft messages in Messenger. A draft message refers to a message you've started composing but haven't sent yet. These messages are automatically saved by Messenger so you can come back and finish them later. So, to find and remove draft messages in Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Look for the word draft written in blue text below a contact's name in your chat list. This indicates a partially written message waiting in that conversation. Tap on the chat with the blue draft text. The draft message will automatically appear in the message box at the bottom of the screen. If you don't want to send the message, simply delete the text in the message box. If you're ready to send it, tap the send button. Tap the back arrow to exit the chat. The blue draft text will disappear if you remove the message. That's it. With these simple steps, you can easily find, remove, or send those draft messages lingering in Messenger. Now you can keep your chats organized and avoid any accidental message mishaps. And this is how to find and remove draft messages in Messenger. If you have any questions about finding and removing draft messages in Messenger, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.